Okay, hello guys. Sorry I'm a bit late to the party. I wasn't planning on trading, but I saw a nice opportunity. Uh, it's where we placed a thing on Thursday, a trade, and that's where the weekly previous DVA high was. So we saw like a kind of liquidity grab, and now just returning to test the VWAPs here. Our target is this level, and I believe that is gonna test the point where we broke down right here, which is the backtest of the previous day high. I'm gonna show you later what I mean when all this price action ends. We're on positive delta, buyers are strong. Let's see. Just gonna give it more time. It's 1 hour. I just ended with 1 hour trade, nothing big. I ended a bit late because I just want some more confirmation that it's gonna. I took my trade about here on both my accounts, aiming that it's gonna retest this part, the previous day high. Let's see how it's gonna go. So far it's going slow. We have the previous DVA low here, that's why I took some time. We have the previous VWAP, we have another VWAP. Price, we see buyers are still strong. Uh, let's see if it's gonna break the POC. 75.95. They crossed the DVA low. It's very natural to see some reflection there now because we have the POC. The buyers are still coming. Now there is some absorption. The sellers are trying. This is just a initial reaction from the POC. Our entry is good. It's just above the weekly previous DVA high as it's swept inside. 75, 85, it's a technical level of interest. That's why you see I have it blue on my chart. So I was looking for a fail breakdown here. Now I'm not sure how far the fail breakdown will go, but we'll see. If we see it doesn't break here, we may see it coming down to take the uh, previous day lows because it didn't try to actually hit the overnight low. So just need to keep in mind that this trade may be a fail, and we may see market coming and do a fail breakdown right here at the previous day low. So far, I don't see bias any strength. Let's see. So I retested the RTH VWAP there. Let's see now. I want to see some strength now. It's quite choppy. I don't see the price action that I was expecting after failed breakdown. Yeah, we see some volatility coming in now. Let's see if it's gonna continue. We see on the right chart, we see on the 10-second chart, we see acceptance within the DVA low. I'm not sure how far we're gonna go though. Let's see, buyers are coming in. Let's see if we can break the poke. They're having a big hard time there, the buyers. At the previous VWAP and poke at the same time. We're just gonna give them some time, see how it goes. They're still trying to push. Yeah, we see buyers are pushing to break the POC. Trying to get some more information uh, from the heat map. It's not providing any data at the moment, but I saw buyers are coming, so just gonna hold my trade. Very slow price action. I think market is gonna go, just gonna take some time. We see buyers now right at the POC at the yesterday's VWAP, which is a good thing. There is interest in buying, just there's a lot of absorption right there, and I don't really like it. I don't like this choppy price action. Because sometimes it can be good, can end in good, because if we see, usually like after a very choppy price action like this, we see huge spikes. So it could be like it's like a roulette. It could be like to the upside, or it could be to the downside. Some release candles, I call them. I don't like those, to be honest. It's quite risky. Yeah, I'm gonna close my profits, my targets, sorry, my trades for today. Uh, I closed my eval on the Tradify with 10% profit, sorry, 5% profit. I'm still holding my funding pips. Mm, see a lot of a lot of absorption there, which I don't really like. Let's see. Goes okay so far. So I'm closing half of my position. So I closed 70% of my position on my trading pips account. I left about 30%, and that's because we found some strong rejection at the previous VWAP, but the buyers, they're still in control. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna leave it run and I'm just gonna close it. Yeah, I decided to play a bit more defensively because I don't really like the way ES moves. Yeah, that's it for me today. One trade. I think it was in profits, to be honest. Local space, order fails. I think I did well by closing my trade, my full position. As I said, I didn't like the way it was moving. So I said, okay, I'm gonna close and leave a runner. And if today we're gonna go higher, so be it. I left a runner. I have my stops below the yesterday's previous day low, so because I want to give some breather for the runners. Don't want to struggle them, and because I think now that we're at the moment where we are building a new range, but until this range is very visible, I'm just gonna leave some a breather. Uh, Anyway, that's it for today. Small profits, nothing fancy. Price action choppy. Maybe we'll clear later, who knows? But I don't really care. Yeah, I took a trade that I was supposed to take at the level that I was supposed to enter. So yeah, nothing else. Not all the failed breakdown are fancy, big and stuff. Sometimes you're gonna see this price choppy action. Sometimes you're gonna see big failed breakdowns. Like today, for example, like if it was like other days, you could see. A sec to bring out the pen. Yeah, so other days you would see the price, as I said, fair breakdown here. That was my tick or to poke, and other days you would see the price just literally like ripping and retesting the price where you broke from. Today I saw this action that couldn't break the previous VWAP, and there's a poke here as well. And that's why I don't see what I see. I didn't like the price action even here, because usually it rips through if there is if the buyers are really in control. So that's why I decided to close it. I left a runner. It's no big deal with a runner. Uh, we'll see how price action does, but yeah, I closed my main position. Uh, okay, guys, that's all for me. Hope you have a nice trading, and I'll see you tomorrow.